Alright guys, so today we've got a little bit of a different video that we're going to do. I guess you noticed this right there. So I'm going to put this hood louver system, or piece, on my other hood to replace that hood, because the hood had popped up and hit up there before I put the light bars and stuff. So can't really fix it. I mean, it's in the creases. It could be fixed eventually, but it also creased the support right here, and the hood's just, it's not in the greatest shape. So what I'm gonna do is replace it with this hood, paint this hood to match the rest of the Jeep itself. But first I've got to cut all that out, and I've already kind of marked where I'm gonna put the louver, so I can take this off and set it over here. And this right here is what's gonna get me lined up with what I need to do. So I'm gonna just take my template and lay it where I need to lay it. Go back with a punch and punch here, 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 and the 4 up there at the top, and the other ones over here, and drill some holes with a 1-inch hole saw to get those corners. And then after that I'm going to cut this out with a razor, so I have my lines on the hood, and then of course I can tape this back down and go ahead and take a saw, my Milwaukee saw, I'll show that to you. Take this guy right here, and of course replace this blade, because that blade is very dangerous. It could fly off, hit me, and put me in the hospital. So replace the blade and just pretty much cut everything out that I need to cut, and then go back after that and put the bolts, drill the holes for the bolts all the way around, and turn the hood upside down, deburr it, and then kind of just prep the bottom side for paint as well, because this top's pretty much prepped. Only thing I got to do is I've got a little bit of a dent right here in this hood that I'm going to fill in with a little bit of Bondo and get ready to do a painting on it so it'll match the rest of the Jeep and not look like that. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to take this hammer and this punch here and just go to each one of the centers of the crosshairs and just make a hole, make a punch, so I know where that edge is. Hey guys, what's going on today? So kind of got the hood about ready to go. As you know, this hood never matched, so you got this color red, then you got this red. I don't know why, but yeah, so here's the new one. I got it painted. I didn't get to make any videos of painting the hood, but the hood's painted, it's matched. It's not perfect, but this is not going to be a show vehicle. This is going to be an off-road trail Jeep. So the more fun, the more woods. So, but yeah, this is what the hood turned out like. It looks pretty good. It's gonna match instead of having that, so I'm happy with that. Did the bottom side too. I don't know if you can see that or not, but and right now I'm in the middle of putting this hood louver on to make sure I got good heat distribution and, well, heat extraction, I guess you would say. I don't know. And to look better, you know, it'll match with the rest of the black going on with the Jeep itself. We'll probably be putting the soft top on pretty soon, waiting on my door surrounds that go right here for the soft top, and then I'll throw the soft top on, and we'll hit some trails. But figured I'd just give you guys an update on, you know, the hood itself and the Jeep. Got a few other things to do with the Jeep, but those will be in the next videos. If you're enjoying my content, you know, if you enjoy watching me, enjoy watching what I do with the different vehicles that I have at all times, just give me a like, hit that subscribe button, just continue to watch my videos. They're going to continue to get better over time. Right now, you know, this is a new adventure for me, and I would like to share it with you guys. So just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow me along, because it's going to get fun. It's going to get real fun. So thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later.